Alright, truck, pickup, trunk, ball, blinker, direction, van, wheel, volante, window, lavante. Skipping those two. Car, auto, bus, tractor, semi, trailer, camion. Skip over that, but come back to it. Bike, bicolette, motorcycle, motorcyclette. Train, plane, avion, boat, bota. Rear back door. That is puerta trasera. Backseat is Asentio Trasero. Let's go over that one. Truck bed. Cajera de Pla. I know how to spell it. It's like Platon. Planton. Bumper, defensive, dashboard, tableron, front door, that is Puerta de Levantera, front seat, asiento delantera, gas tank is shoot. I know it. It's not like straw. Stop it. I'm trying to work. Tongue de la Gasolina, headlight, Luis Laventera, hood, capo, license plate, placo, or no, it's not placo, it's placar, placara. No, it's just placa. It's just placa. It's not placo. Stop talking. Mud flaps, Gardero, stop talking. Gardo, Barlos, muffler. I'm gonna skip over that one. All right,